Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodity markets. In today's video, we will be diving deep into the recent surge in ICE cotton futures, which has reached a 3-month high. Let's explore the factors driving this significant movement in cotton prices. On September 25, ICE cotton futures witnessed a remarkable surge, with the December contract rising by 0.65 cents, closing at 74.09 cents per pound. Both the March and May contracts followed suit, closing at 75.85 and 76.93 cents per pound, respectively. This strong upward movement can be attributed to two key developments in the global market. First, China, the world's largest consumer of cotton, has introduced a significant monetary stimulus package aimed at countering deflation and revitalizing its economy. This move is expected to boost demand for cotton, providing strong support for prices in the global market. Traders reacted positively to this news, noting the potential for increased consumption from China, which is vital for global cotton trade. Secondly, weather concerns have emerged with the development of Tropical Storm Ellen in the Atlantic. The storm is expected to intensify into a hurricane, posing a potential threat to U.S. cotton crops. As of September 22, 63% of the U.S. cotton crop had bolls open, and 14% had already been harvested. However, crop conditions have shown signs of deterioration, with the percentage of crops rated good to excellent falling to 37%, while poor to very poor ratings rose to 33%. The possibility of crop damage due to the storm is contributing to the rally in cotton prices. External market factors also played a role in supporting the cotton market. The US dollar index fell by 520 points, making US cotton more attractive to foreign buyers. Additionally, crude oil futures gained $1.20 per barrel, which is another supportive factor for cotton prices, as oil prices influence the cost of synthetic fibers, making cotton more competitive. In terms of export performance, U.S. export sales for the week ending September 12 showed bookings of 106,801 running bales, which, although the lowest in 4 weeks, still outpaced last year's figures. Vietnam and Pakistan were the largest buyers. Export shipments also rose by 9.16% compared to the previous year, totaling 130,049 running bales. On the domestic front, the scene reported 814 online cotton bale sales at an average price of 64.48 cents per pound. ICE cotton stocks remain steady at 265 bales, as of September 23. Meanwhile, the COTLOK index increased by 50 points to 85.05 cents per pound, and the USDA adjusted world price, AWP, was raised to 58.83 cents per pound, valid until Thursday. The combination of China's economic stimulus, concerns over Tropical Storm Ellen, and favorable external market conditions have all contributed to the rally in ICE cotton prices. As we move forward, traders will continue to monitor these developments closely. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mini Guru for more updates and expert analysis on the global cotton market and other key commodities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest market insights.